Joined by head coach Hillary Scott of Lynchburg College men's basketball. They were picked number 6 in this year's preseason poll. Coach, one of the themes throughout the league right now is that everybody's got somebody to replace. For Lynchburg College, that's Austin Chilemi, who's now on the bench next to you as an assistant coach. Talk a little bit about what you've seen out of your team this year that leads to believe you'll be able to replace his production.
Well, I'll tell you, JJ, it was one of my concerns going into the season. Austin, along with 4 other of my seniors who came in on my first recruiting class, graduated. So we leaned on those guys a lot, leadership-wise, talent-wise, and the unknown of not having that security blanket of your first recruits. And so it was a concern going into the season. But our guys have done a really, really good job. Our senior class, Manny Hernandez, Drew Simmons, Harry West, Gary Boone, and Dylan Hall have done a great job in the leadership part of it. We've been playing with and practicing with a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm. So I'm excited to see how this team progresses. We're going to ask a lot of those guys, and they're looking forward to the challenge.
When you look at your roster right now, over the past several years, you've really instilled an attacking style in both offense and defense. It was very perimeter-based. What do you expect out of your squad this year as far as style?
Well, I think you're going to see, somewhat of the same things this year. Losing Austin, losing Mike Wims, we lost some size inside. So we're going to be a little undersized this year, but hopefully we can make that up with athleticism, quickness. Our guys have gotten stronger this year. So hopefully we can make up with all those lack of things that we had in the last couple years with those attributes. We're going to have to play fast. Hopefully try to take advantage of some of that athleticism that we have.
One of the guys that's very athletic on your squad is Manny Hernandez. He came into the league as a shooter, as a freshman, and has really developed his game to be able to score inside and outside. What do you see out of him this year?
Well, he's one of the guys that's really stepped up in the leadership role, which is really neat to see, how far he's come since his freshman year. We're going to expect a lot out of him this year, and I hope, what we've had talks about is it's nice to have, Big Austin inside as kind of your security blanket in terms of, having another option to throw the ball to score. So we're going to ask a lot of him. He's going to have to score some points, but he's going to have to get some teammates involved as well. So those are some of the things that we've talked about here at the beginning of the season. He's done a great job thus far in our practices, and it's something that's got to be ongoing for us all year. But skill-wise, talent-wise, size, I mean, he's really good. He loves playing. He loves working out. And, I'm anxious to see his fruits of the labor this year.
We're going to tap your memory on this one a little bit. Think back to your playing days when you were at Roanoke, and compared to the league as it is right now, over the last 4 years, 12 bids into the NCAA tournament, 4 teams last year. What do you see out of the league this year?
Well, as a coach, it's terrible because it's really tough for us to catch up. The league is tough, and I know every coach will say this to you. That's why it's one of the best Division III conferences in the country. Year in and year out, we have a chance of getting 3, 4, 5 teams in the NCAA tournament. I think when I was playing, if you want to say it was somewhat top-heavy, there was 3 or 4, really, really good teams, and I don't think those teams had to necessarily play well to win games. I think those days are over. You have to play well every night, and if you don't, you have a good chance of losing, especially on the road. And we have some really, really good players on every single team, and that makes our games very competitive, makes the league tough, and gives us coaches a lot of gray hair and gives us ball spots because we're thinking about all of the players we have to go against night in, night out.
Well, Coach, I want to thank you for joining me today. Good luck this season.
Thanks.